If you'd like to learn how to make $1,000 in just a week, make sure you watch till the end of this video.
Welcome to the Trading with Venus podcast, where we help you establish strong trading habits, generate consistent profits, and create the lifestyle you desire for yourself and your family. Now your host, Raman Gill.
Hi, this is Raman from Trading with Venus. A lot of times people come into this trading business with dollar signs in their eyes. We all know this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, if you are consistent and if you follow a strategy and implement the steps, you can make $1,000 a week, which is not a lot of money. However, it is a good amount of money for anybody to have in a week. So today I will share with you one of my favorite trade setups where you can make $1,000 a week using just one trade strategy. So let's go on to the charts. Here we are looking at a bullish engulfing trade setup. This is $CAD 1 hour chart. A bullish engulfing trade setup is when a bullish candle here engulfs the previous price action. So in this example, we see that we have a nice big bullish candle here, and this candle covers pretty much the previous price action here. So this is our bullish engulfing trade setup. Once we see this bullish engulfing candle here, we are looking for price to go higher. So we enter the trade long. This is our bullish reversal signal. We enter our stop below this support level here, and we can even move it a little bit lower if you want it, but our stop will go below this lows here because sometimes price can come and test this level once again. So we enter the trade long and we stay with our trade as price moves higher. Here we see that price is slowly making its way higher, and here it starts to go sideways. However, if you were to take a look at it, it's still holding above this previous level here. So it hasn't really turned around, which means the momentum is still to the upside here. So we continue on with our trade, and as we see, price continues going higher. And then we have this big bullish reversal candle here. So this is our bearish reversal signal, railroad track signal. When we get a bearish reversal signal like this, it's a good idea to exit the trade. So in this case, even though it went up slightly, but sometimes it can just reverse right there. So it's a good idea for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 100 pips in our trade. So just to recap here, this is our bullish engulfing trade setup. A bullish engulfing candle looks like this. We have a large green candle which engulfs the previous price action here. Once we see this candle close, we can enter our trade long. Stop would go below these candles here, and we stay with the trade as price moves higher. Once we see a reversal signal in the opposite direction, we can exit this trade. This is our railroad's reversal signal, so we exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 100 pips in our trade. So our profit is 100 pips or $1,000 when trading one standard lot. So this was one of my favorite trade setups. I use this over and over again because it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.
If you want consistency in your trading, we invite you to join our daily market analysis calls, where we provide the levels to find the best entries and targets on an intraday basis. For a 1-week free trial, please visit www.tradingwithvenus.com. Thanks for joining us today. With much gratitude, your show host, Raman Gill.